Hi everyone! Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being amazing learners and going after this information. Like I said in my other video, my first video, I know that this is hard because you have the 3 lessons on Seesaw, but as you've seen on math, it's very simple. So if you already do half the problems on Seesaw and you get them right, I'd rather you come here and do the packets we sent home as the emergency lessons, because this will really get you more information that you need to practice multiple skills instead of just that one skill that you're practicing in Unit 9. So let me write on here for you. This is my day 1, technically in the packet, and it starts out with our DLR. So let's take a look. Primero dice, ¿qué fracción es una fracción unitaria? If you remember, unitaria, a unit fraction, significa uno, una parte de un entero. Así que, por ejemplo, si yo aquí tengo cuartos, la fracción unitaria sería una pieza, una parte del total, del entero. Entonces aquí la respuesta es A. Un octavo es la fracción unitaria. 3 partes, 5 partes, 8, no. Aquí, ¿qué fracción representa la parte no sombreada? Did that trick you? It almost just tricked me. No. Oh, it won't let me highlight. Let me highlight. No sombreada. Okay, well, we're going to have to just deal with it. No sombreada. Así que 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 octavos. La D. If you said 2 octavos, aquí la A, you got tricked. Aquí, Justin compró 8 cajas de manzanas. Cada caja contiene 8 manzanas. ¿Cuántas manzanas tiene Justin en total? Él tiene 8 cajas. 6, 7, 8. Ok. Y cada uno tiene 8. Así que vamos a hacer 8 más 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 8. Y lo cual es 8 por 8. 8 por 8 es igual a 64 manzanas. Una tienda de abarrotes tiene 40 cajas de barras de granola en los estantes. Hay 5 barras en cada caja. ¿Cuántas barras de granola hay en total? Uf. O sea, tiene 40 cajas. 40 cajas. No voy a dibujar lo que me queda arriba. Hay 5 barras en cada caja. Eso puede ser difícil. 40 times 5. Puedes hacer 40 más 40 más 40 más 40 más 40. Pero usando estrategias, we can just do 4 times 5. Y luego ponemos el 0. Así que 4 times 5 is 20. And then we add the 0. So es la A. Aquí 5. La distancia desde la casa de Rachel hasta la casa de su hermana es 350 millas. Rachel manejó 76 millas por la mañana y 124 millas por la tarde. ¿Cuántas millas le falta manejar a Rachel para llegar a la casa de su hermana? Primero vamos a sumar las millas que ya ha conducido. Más 124. Eso es 10. 9, 10. 200 millas. Le falta, tenemos que restar 200 de 350. Menos 200. Entonces ahora le falta 5. No, 0, 5 y 1. Contestamos con una oración completa. Le faltan 150 millas. El jardín de Alex mide 5 yardas de longitud y 4 yardas de ancho. ¿Cuál es el área? 5, 4. Area is length times width, así que 5 por 4 es igual a 20. So la respuesta es 20 yardas. Who remembered it? Cuadradas. Area is when you count it by the squares. So make sure that you put squared. Ricky tiene 3 grupos de canicas. Un grupo de 9. I'm making a picture in my head. Un grupo de 9, un grupo de 11 y un grupo de 13. ¿Ok? Tiene razón Ricky cuando dice que la suma de los tres números se puede escribir como 9 más 11 más 13 o 9 más 11 más 13. ¿Por qué? Sí, podemos por la propiedad asociativa. Por ejemplo, 9 más 11 más 13 es igual a 9 más 11 más 13. Da igual si empiezas con 9 más 11 o 11 más 13. La suma aquí, la respuesta va a ser igual. Aquí tenemos que borrar un poco. I got a little crazy. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ok. Tenemos, Dane gana $8 por hora rastreando hojas. ¿Cuánto dinero gana cuando trabaja 7 horas? Así que $8 por 7 horas es igual a, you can use your strategies, counting by eighths. Ooh, I think that I found a way to count by, ooh, that's 6. All about them eights, no trouble. Si cuentas 7 veces es $56. Aquí we move on to our math questions, which will be a little bit more difficult sometimes, but some of them will be easier as well. So here it says, which list shows the numbers in order from greatest to least value? So we want greatest to least and making sure they're in order. So right here, obviously this is the biggest number, but this number is not larger than this number. So A is not a good answer. Here, 6,000 anything is not bigger than 29,000, so that's a definite bad answer. Here we have 58,000, 50,000, and then a number in its hundreds. So this one might be, I'm going to put a little smiley face here. I like that one. Let's see this one. 6,000 is definitely not bigger than 60,000. So our correct answer is C. Down here, Gerardo bought 3 packages of mint gum and 2 packages of bubble gum. Each package had 8 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum did he buy? Well, if he has 3 packages plus 2 packages, he has 5 packages of gum. That's not helpful though, because what does the question say? How many pieces of gum? Now we have to multiply 5 packs times 8 pieces of gum. That would be 40 pieces of gum. They didn't answer this like 3rd graders, otherwise I'd have a complete sentence that says, Gerardo bought 40 pieces of gum. Maybe you did that. I'd love to see it on Seesaw if you did. Here it says, Alberto ran for exercise every day for 16 days. The table shows how many days he ran each distance. Which plot represents this data? Okay, so if there's a 1 mile, he ran 2 days. So here, this is correct. This is correct. This only has 1 plot, so that's definitely not. This, though, is correct for 1. Let's look here at 1.5. 1.5 would be right in the middle of 1 and 2, and he has 5. Keep in mind that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I don't like it. Can't be C. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't like it either. Well, that was easy. So then our best answer is A, but let's double check. We don't want to get caught. 2 should have 3. 1, 2, 3. I like it. 2.5 should have 4. Yes, I like it. And 3 should have 2. Good. So we went back and double checked because remember, sometimes test takers make mistakes. So we want to make sure that it's all correct, but I liked all of those. So A is the line plot that represents that chart. Let's go on. Number 4. The expanded form of a number is shown below. 90,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 1. What is the standard form? Now be careful here because we're going to shove them together and you've got to make sure that the numbers go in the right places. So 90,000 would be the first part. 200 plus 40 plus 1 is 241. So it would be 90,000 to 90,000, 241. So this is the correct answer. This 200s needs to be in the centenas place. 40 is in the decenas place, and the 1 is in the unidades. Okay? So there's 90 millares. Serafina put a total of 42 cupcakes into packages. She put 6 cupcakes into packages. What is the total number of packages that she used? Record your answer and fill the bubbles. Oh, you don't need the bubbles. That's not what we need. So she's got 42 cupcakes. We'll draw a cute little cupcake here. Did anyone draw a cupcake? Oh, yeah, I like cupcakes. So we got 42, and we're going to put them into 6 packages. Now, you could use 2 equations to solve this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll make 6 groups. Even though we don't know how many packages, it's easier to do this and then fill in how many go into each one. But you could also write your equations. So we know that because multiplication and division are inverse, which means they're opposites, we could do 6 times some number is equal to 42, or we could do 42 divided by 6 is equal to how many packages. If you use your strategy because you don't know your math facts yet, you could just draw 1 in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, etc. And when you get down to it, the number that is the correct packages we're looking for is 7. So she, let's write it down, Serafina used 7 packages. Period. Ta-da! Which number is odd? Ooh. Question. Let's see who's thinking. What number should you look at to see if a number is odd? Is it A, centenas, B, decenas, or C, unidades? I'll give you a second to think about it. Dun 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 dun. Unidades. It was C. So let's look at our unidades. Here, the unidad is 5. Is that odd? Yes. So that one I like. 0. Is that odd? The odd digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Nope. Not G. Let's look at 8. Nope. 8 has a couple. Nope. 4. Nope. So your odd number is F. 205 is an odd number. See, so finally, I'm not going to go on to this one. I'm going to need another video to do those because it will take me longer than the 3 minutes I have. So let's look at number 7, and then you can check with me your math fact fluency tomorrow, okay? Freddie had $256 in his bank account. Go you, Freddie. On Monday, he put $50 more into his account. And on Tuesday, he took out $87 to buy a bicycle. Which equation can be used to find the amount of money Freddie had in his bank account after he took out money on Tuesday? Well, we know he starts with 256, right? So when I do my test-taking strategies here, my question is, what is this? He started out with 256. Don't take away money. So it's not that one. He had 256. He put $50 more. So we've got 256 plus $50. Yay, Freddie. So looking at my options here, he didn't take out 50. He got 50. So I don't like that one either. And then he took out 87. So we took away 87. Darn. So here's where I can see that took away 87. D is the correct equation. However, we now need to solve. So let's do that quickly here. 256 plus 50. Ooh, I have like 1 minute to figure this before the video is going to stop on me. 6, 10, carry the 1, $306. But he took away 87 minus 87. Let me change the colors so you don't get confused here with my math. Can we take 7 away from 6? Nope. We got to borrow. Nope. Got to borrow. So this becomes a 2. The 0 becomes a 10. But we're going to borrow. It's now a 9. And this becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. So even though he bought that bicycle for 87, he still has $219. And I have 30 seconds to spare, so join me tomorrow morning and I will post the video for the Math Facts Times test. We'll see if you got all of them right because, whoo, there's quite a few there. You might want to split that up. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.